welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing how to tell if your bird is a boy or a girl. Now let's get started. So today, now I'm going to show you that how to tell if a girl is a girl. So, do you see that pink, like exactly on the nose? That's pink, that's how you tell it's a girl. This is how you tell if it's a boy. You see right there that it's blue right there on the nose. That's how you know that it's a boy. When it has blue on the nose, nostrils, it's a boy. If it has pink, then it's a girl. And that is how you tell if it's a boy or a girl.
Crazy, I need a little help. Do you have any idea what baggies?
And by the way, the boy, his name is Blue, if you're wondering, my bird. And the girl, her name is Jewel. Now, thanks for watching. Bye. Almost forgot. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and please comment down below what kind of animal you have, so I could search what to do with it and how to treat it good, and because I'm an expert of animals.
Crazy with some tape.
Yep. And yeah, definitely check out my new video of Sophie's babies. Yep. Now anyway, back. Thanks for watching. Bye.